Hey, what's up guys? Smoky Buzz here, and we're in Jamesthefam's Discord. If you're new to Discord, that's the reason why I'm making this video. So let's go ahead and show you how to use Discord. So up here at the top, if we ever have any events, go ahead and just check there. You'll go ahead and see upcoming events that are coming. We also have an active thread place, so like people are talking about stuff like a forum. That's where you can go ahead and click this area and check out what people are doing in here. You could also add new posts. Just make sure you tag whatever you're posting, like pets. This is Midjourney AI robot. Okay, so when you first join, you're going to be put into this page right here. It's where the rules. Go ahead and hit that thumb. You'll be put into this area. You probably already did because you're watching this video. So let's go on down. There's main chat right here. Go ahead and just be respectful to everybody. Go ahead and hit the self roles icon, and you can go ahead and get yourself the family role. And there's a lot of people in the Discord, and if you're a person that doesn't want to be DM'd or private messaged by somebody, go ahead and hit that DM close. People won't message you, and if they do, go ahead and talk to the staff, make a ticket, and we'll go ahead and take care of it. And if you're fine with people DMing you, go ahead and hit that hand right there. You'll have a tag that goes up on your thing, and people will see it and know that you're okay with being talked to. Alright, so we're going to go on down to voice channels. This is where we're hanging out. So if you're going to come on over, probably be best for you to hit user settings. So go ahead and hit user settings. Let's go on over to voice and video. So here, if your voice isn't working, you go ahead and hit that input device and find whatever device that you're using. Then you go ahead and come on over here to the output device and find out whatever microphone you're using. You can go ahead and test your mic right here. Test. And it'll show you how loud you are, the input volume, and everything. You also, this is a must. Make sure this is on input sensitivity. But turn that on. So that'll automatically determine the input sensitivity. Go on down, come on down here. Another important thing for the voice chat is noise suppression. Use this Eclipse technology. So ahead and click that on, and any background noises, like if you're dropping a pin on the table, or somebody in the background spontaneously combusted right in front of you, we won't hear it. We also have an AI bot that you can play around with. You'll see a bunch of cool stuff up here. The AI generates it. Just gotta go ahead and click /imagine right here. You'll go ahead and just type in anything like an orange in place of the moon. So an orange probably will be made as the moon. As you see, they're pretty badass pictures. Also, when you're in voice chat, you can share your screen. So show people what you're doing at the moment, watch movies and shit. So hit that share screen button. Find the window that you want to share. So in this case, I'll just share this window so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So it shows me sharing windows here, so you can see it infinite. If you got a camera and stuff and you just wanted to show your video, choose your webcam, which I got right here. Got a little cool transition. And you guys can see me all big. Alright guys, that's probably about it for the video. If you guys got any more questions, go ahead and let me know, and I can put up another video or put up some more pictures and stuff. Talk to you guys later. Smoke Woods, I'm out.